So we out checking our water. How do we check it, Mia?
Red means
Dry.
dry. Green means good. Blue means wet.
So what do you do with it?
You stick it in the plant.
Show me how you do it. Come right here in the front. Try it. All the way down.
Good.
That one says good, right?
Yep. Good. Go. Almost to red, so it's good.
So we went and checked our garden this morning. Those two beds
Good.
needed water, right?
Good.
Which this one obviously is nothing but seedlings, right? So it's gonna need water every day.
Wet. Wet. Don't do this one.
All right. So that bed right there is good. She said don't wet that one. This one came up dry. Now you can get these little things from Walmart for a couple dollars, and you can check your beds.
Good.
But typically, you don't have to water every day. Still haven't planted those. But your pots, you definitely don't want to water them every day. As you water your plants, they're gonna go yellow. They'll start getting yellow because they're getting too much water. Typically, these pots, once they start getting dry and crusty around the top, especially these big pots, then it's time to water. But all you gotta do is go to Walmart, get you one of those little wands, wet wands. Hey, then take the guessing game out of it. You wanna check that one, Mia? Push it all the way down. What'd it say?
Wet.
Wet. And we watered these yesterday, remember?
Mm-hmm.
Wanna check that one?
Wet.
Blue.
Green.
That one green. Go closer to the middle. Go closer to the plant. A little bit closer, Mia. Not too much closer. What that
Okay,
was?
that was wet.
That one's wet. So this is what we're doing this morning. Sunday morning. We do this pretty much every morning.
Good.
Go out, check our plants.
Wet.
Teach our children, man. It's so important to teach our children
Wet.
how to grow their own fruits and vegetables. You never know what happens.
Wet.
It's also cheaper. With these couple plants, them 3-4 tomato plants, I have more tomatoes than my family can eat. I can actually give it away. All those pepper plants, same thing.
Wet.
So y'all have a great day. We're gonna keep working.